How to fix ChatGPT not responding. Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix ChatGPT not responding. So the first step you have to take is to click on these two lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on your name. So you just have to scroll to the last button to log out from your ChatGPT. Restart your phone and log back in. So having done that, the next thing you have to do, if you still have that same issues, is to go to your phone settings. So right here on your phone settings, you have to look for apps and search for ChatGPT on your app list. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the storage and cache, and you clear your cache, restart your phone. Then the next thing you have to do is to go back to your ChatGPT to check if it will work for you this way. But if yours did not work for you this way, the next thing you have to do is to know that maybe it's because of severe traffic for that moment, it will still reply back or it will still get back. So you just have to be patient with your ChatGPT. You just have to leave it and come back later to check on it. So guys, that is it on how to fix ChatGPT not responding. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.